The Rockwood Roo. I love these things.
I do too.
Yeah,
I do
these
too.
are awesome.
I do too.
Yeah, what is this? The 21SS?
It's going to be the 21SS, guys. Super popular with people that might have started tent camping and then wanted a hard side camper, plus being able to sleep a ton of people in these things.
Like on a day like this would be awesome. With this breeze, sleeping in one of these end bunk beds, it would feel amazing.
Yes, it would. Plus a 15K air. So.
Right. Yeah. All right. So let's look at it.
Yeah. Start out the side. Of course, you're going to have the standard Rockwood pick and knee rail there. That's where you guys are going to attach that flat top cook surface. It's going to be like a Blackstone grill. Cable TV hookups with the 110 outlet. Plug in anything you guys want to on that if you have a table in front of here. And then you guys will also have a backer for a TV mount. That's going to be the same TV mount that's going to be inside the coach. You guys can just carry the TV out and plug it right on in. Of course, LED lighted awning, of course, with 2 exterior speakers on it also.
Yep. All right. Should you go inside?
Yeah, head on inside here.
Again, lots of room in here. With the, obviously with the slide, you're going to get a lot of room.
It's giant.
Yeah. So, yeah, let's talk about this thing.
Yeah, notice a lot of times you just have a dinette on one slide. They put the sofa on one slide and just made it a whole entire wall almost. You guys see in here, I mean, you have a tons and tons of room to do whatever you want. Of course, that will drop down, turn into like a lounge for a bed. You guys can watch it, sit down there and watch it on TV. 2 map lights there above if you guys are reading at night with that kickback and recline there for you.
Yeah.
Get over here to the front bed. Pretty spacious, actually.
It is.
If you think about it.
Yeah. There's a lot of room there. That's at least a queen, right? It's
yes,
a queen?
yes, that will be a queen here. Nice little platform there. You guys can sit down on it when they roll out of bed. Sit down, put your shoes on in the morning. Nice little resting spot. And then, of course, you guys will have some pretty deep storage in there too, and that tucks up on both sides. So that can also be reached from the exterior, also in that pass through.
Okay. And then I see back here, this is a heated bed, heated mattress.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Yep. Colder climates, on top of the furnace, you guys will have the heated mattresses to keep you guys warmer if it is kind of breezy on a nice cold day. So.
Awesome. A little bit of storage up here.
Yeah, decent amount of storage. Also extends all the way behind this cabinet too. So you guys can fit something long in there and don't have to worry about hitting anything. TV, again, guys, I will hit on that here. In a perfect condition, if you guys are hanging out over here, you guys don't have to turn your head, break your neck trying to look at it. It will move out, and then it will swivel to wherever you guys are going to be sitting at.
Perfect.
Go ahead and hit over here on the kitchen side. You guys will have a range complete with a fan and a light. Your guys' knife accessories here. That's really sweet.
What is that?
It's knives. That's for
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, you guys will put your different knives in there. That's a lot of kind of a cool little thing Rockwood does. A lot of people don't really hit on.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, something small. So,
wow.
A knife block built into the range. Glass top, full size oven. You guys will be complete with your microwave. Stainless steel sink with the black faucet. That was an upgrade there on the switch over. Newport ash cabinetry, stone interior. That will be standard across every Rockwood Roo. No color options. This will become standard. Also, 12-volt fridge, guys. That will be stainless steel finish, and that will also make it complete with the 190-watt solar panel.
We talked earlier about how quickly it cools being at 12 volt.
It does.
Yeah, that's fast. I mean, that's already, they just pulled this in. It feels good.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Yeah, it's crazy.
That will run when your guys is plugged into your tow vehicle too.
Yeah, awesome. There's bathroom, obviously. Corner shower. A little spot there. Another spot for knives, little teeny knives that you can use to pick food out of your teeth here in the bathroom.
Real quick here, glass surround. Model this size, comparable brands, probably just going to have a curtain for you.
Really?
That's glass surround, so that's kind of a big deal to a lot of people.
So much nicer than having a shower curtain stick to you while you're trying to. It's awful.
Wardrobe.
That's good. And then even a hallway that leads back to this back bedroom. There it is. That's the hallway.
You get the sense of privacy too.
Yeah.
You really do. Climb into there. You guys again will have the heated mattress along with a curtain. Plenty of privacy.
Yeah. Soundproof curtain. Nobody can hear your sleep farts. Sorry, I'm getting older. Those are more and more evident. Sorry, way too much information. What am I talking about? Sometimes I say stuff and I just shut myself up.
Keep in mind too, 5,000 pounds. I mean, that's going to be a mid SUV, smaller truck category. It's going to hit on most tow vehicles. It really will. So.
Awesome. Cool. I love it. It is really spacey right here too.
Mm-hmm.
Or spacious. Let me sound more professional. Spacious right here. Plenty of room for like a breakdance fight if you have a competing crew come over and you want to breakdance right here. And again, the heat must be getting to me. Let's go stand out
maybe
here.
just campgrounds around here do that.
Yeah,
I don't know.
maybe. I'll get out here where it's much cooler. I can think much clearer. What is the price on this?
You're going to be coming in here at $28,910.
Okay.
That's going to be roughly with a monthly payment of about $220.
Wow, that's awesome. And what a cool little, just a cool little RV.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's sweet. I dig it. I love these roos.
It really
And
is.
it's Rockwood.
Yeah,
quality.
if you guys want to sleep this amount of people in a travel trailer this size, you're going to be forced into a bunkhouse.
Mm-hmm.
That takes up a quarter of your space.
Right.
I mean, the beds don't take up any space. They pop out, and
Yeah.
you still have the whole entire room of the coach. So
It's awesome. All right. Well, thank you, sir, for walking us through
Yeah.
this.